Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and finding the exact link. Once you see it, decide whether removal target is page content, a bookmark, or history entry because each path differs. Make sure sync is off if you only want local deletion, otherwise changes propagate to other devices. Now, right-click the link or image and pause to notice the menu options. This first actionable step determines the menu choices you'll use next and prevents accidental edits. You now perform the core removal. If it's a bookmark, open Bookmark Manager, find the item and delete or replace the URL. This permanently drops it from your list. If it's on a local page you control, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, edit the anchor tag and elements, and update the source file so change persists. For unwanted history, open History, search the URL, and remove it. Once done, make sure to clear cached versions if the link still appears in suggestions. Finish by clearing cache and cookies so Chrome stops auto-completing the removed link. This forces fresh suggestions. Once done, disable any extensions that might reinsert links and check behavior in incognito to isolate extension causes. If you use sync, make sure other devices reflect the change or remove the link from your Google account's sync data. If something goes wrong, test one change at a time and verify which step removed the link to avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.